Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let it go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Loosen up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming out, but we miss it cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide. I just need a night with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling, oh, so right, oh. I'm so over being sober, yeah, all I know. I just need a night with you. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love.
내게로 와서 melt my heart. 봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보며
Morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is going to be more like a day in the life type video. I got a few errands I need to run out to get for the house. I need a few cleaning supplies to replenish. Need to replenish a few cleaning items, and I need to get a few things from Trader Joe's. I'm going to go to Trader Joe's today to get a few things to cook for dinner. And then I might stop by this place called the Bundt Cake. It's a bakery where they sell bundt cakes, like mini bundt cakes. I think I'm going to go there today And I think I have a few more errands to run, so I'm going to bring you guys along with me. So let's go. All right, good people. I am currently at the Bath and Body Works. I just realized that we are out of antibacterial hand soap. I actually like using the Bath and Body Works hand soap. They're a little bit, I love the fragrances that it leaves behind. So I'm going to go in Bath and Body Works really quick to get some antibacterial soaps for the downstairs, but well, all of the bathrooms really. And then it's a Gabe's over there. I'm going to go run in Gabe's real quick to see what they have in there, just to look around and see what they have. So first stop, we're going to go in Bath and Body Works to get some hand soap. So let's go.
I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. Oh,
So I did end up going to Bath and Body Works and getting my hand sanitizers and some hand soaps. And then I went over to Gabe's and I did a little bit of retail therapy.
ain't no one else that does the things that you do to me. That's why I get nervous. I try to be cool, but you see me the right way. Oh, and I see you too. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters.
Guys, so I made it back from the store, from Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna just go real quick, show you guys what I purchased. I got the salmon burgers. You can either grill, bake them, or pan fry them. Never had these before, so I'm anxious to try these. These look pretty good, so if I can remember, I'll let you guys know how they taste. Purchased some mandarin orange chicken. Got 2 bags of those. Got the beef and broccoli, Trader Joe's. Try that one night. Got 2 bags of the home handsome cut. Okay, handsome cut potato fries. Got 2 bags of those. Got some chicken fried rice. Never tried this before, but I'm gonna definitely try this out tonight. Purchased some raspberry, lemon, and strawberry fruit bars and some chicken pot stickers. And that's all I got from Trader Joe's. From the bundt cake place that I went earlier, I purchased the white chocolate raspberry, and this is what this one looks like. Purchased the red velvet cake. That looks good. I got the lemon, and I also got the salted caramel. And that's it, what I got from the store today.